I saw someone talking about this and saw that it's now available online, so I bought one right away. This is the Atari Retro Play Smartwatch. So this is 2600 on your wrist. It's about time. So let's get rid of this smartwatch, which I really enjoy. But this one, coming out of the box for the first time, has this awesome wood grain two-tone band. I believe that it has a reversible or an internal digitized option too. And then you've got this really sweet themed option as well for the band, or flip that one over and you get a really cool Pong looking thing. So that's the bands. They're nice and thick. You've also got the charging cable here. If we go ahead and peel the cover off the watch here, it's opaque. And let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. We've got kind of a joystick, and then we've got this button. I guess I could read the directions, find out which one you're supposed to push first. Maybe it needs to charge. So we'll go ahead and charge it up. That's first time coming out of the box. The Atari 2600 smartwatch.